Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add background music to your Canva video. So first open your Canva project and select the video you want to edit. Once you are in, go to the left panel and here you will see the audio option. So you just have to click on that. Here you will find built-in library of royalty-free music. Browse by mood, generation or length. So you just have to explore it. When you find your song that you want, you just have to drag it and drop it onto your video timeline. If you want to use your own music, then go to uploads and upload the file of the audio you want, and that will be appear in your uploads. So drag it to the timeline, and you can trim the track also to adjust it when it start and end points. Or you can also lower the volume to make it background friendly. For example, I am drag the slider of the volume to 69, 66, and finally hit on the play button to preview it. And once you find everything is perfect, then click on the share button and download it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.